Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Windows settings not opening or not working properly on your Windows computer. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type cmd command prompt. Just need to click on run as administrator over here. Click on it. Click yes. Now in the command prompt you just need to check my video description for this couple commands guys. Copy the first command and tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in. Press enter guys. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification paste of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it. After finishing this verification 100% complete guys, go and copy the next command of my video description. Check it out. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in guys. Press enter. Wait for it to complete 100% guys. This also need to get 100%. Wait for it. After finishing this 100% successfully guys, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC you should good to go guys. Attempt to open settings, that will open up. And that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.